Today, the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and it is just 14 odds from 11 teams. Okay, so you can try your luck on these odds, and these odds, they are very simple that you can try your luck. And so if you get these, so make sure you try and also stake it, and let's see how these odds are going to bless us for today. But if you are first time watching content from the Talk Tech, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new odds, you will get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get started. Wizard versus Rakow. These two teams are in Poland, and the prediction is Rakow to score. That's over 0.5 goals for Rakow. PSG versus Nantes. Straight win by 2 up for PSG. This means that if PSG scores 2 goals ahead, we still win. Valladolid versus Atletico. Straight win but 2 up for Atletico. Sporting versus Santa Clara. Straight win by 2 up for Sporting. AC Milan versus Empoli. Straight win by 2 up for AC Milan. Basel versus Lausanne. Asian handicap plus 0.54. Basel, that is double chance for Basel. Dukla Praha versus Sparta Praha. Straight win by 2 up for Sparta Praha. Feyenoord versus Fortuna Sittard. Straight win by 2 up for Feyenoord. Samsunspor versus Bodrumspor. These two teams are in Turkey. That is Samsunspor to score over 0.5 goals for the home team. Barcelona versus Las Palmas. Straight win by 2 up for Barcelona. Union Berlin versus Bayer Leverkusen. Double chance for Leverkusen. That is Asian handicap plus 0.54 by Leverkusen. So these are the odds from the hacked app, giving us 14 solid odds, and the booking code is what you see on the screen. So make sure you try your luck on these odds and know how these odds are going to bless us for today. Here's the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm only showing you how I make money on a true sport betting, and I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Make sure you do your own research before you stake, and stake what you can afford to lose, because this is an online thing. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.